If you've been using CapCut lately, you've probably noticed something frustrating. Most of the best editing features are now locked behind the Pro subscription. That means watermark removal, premium effects, advanced transitions, all asking you to join Pro. But here's the good news. You can still use CapCut's Pro features without paying a cent. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Warning, if you skip even one step, this trick might not work, so follow along closely. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can keep sharing more free tools, tips, and hacks to make your editing life easier. Now, let's get started. Here's my video in CapCut, edited with plenty of pro effects and transitions. Normally, if I try to export it, CapCut tells me I've used pro features and wants me to upgrade. Instead of paying, here's what to do. Highlight the entire video in your timeline. Right-click and select Create Compound Clip. Wait for CapCut to finish processing the compound clip. When the compound clip is ready, right-click on it again. Choose Pre-process Clip. This might take a minute or two, so be patient. Once it's done, make a note of your project name. You'll need it soon. Now we're going to grab the file directly from CapCut's folders. Minimize CapCut. On your desktop, find the CapCut icon. Click Open File Location. In the folder that opens, click the back arrow to go up one level. Open User Data, Projects. Open the first folder you see. This is where your recent projects are stored. Look for the folder with your project's name, then go to Resources, Combination. Inside the Combination folder, you'll see your processed video files. Play them to confirm they're correct.
She was 8 months pregnant. The baby shower was hours away. The front door, still locked. The windows, untouched. She was 8 months pregnant. The baby shower was hours away. The front door, still locked. The windows, untouched. But
close CapCut completely. Copy the video to your desired location. And that's it. You've just downloaded your CapCut Pro project without upgrading. Final tip. This works on all versions of CapCut, so even if you update, you can still use this trick. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more free editing hacks, share it with a friend who edits videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.